Today I'm going to show you how we can use over 10,000 templates in n8n. We're going to go through and show you how to import that into n8n and also where to find them. So the first thing I want to show you is this n8n workflows repo. You can scroll down and we can see here that there is first a website, and also this includes 4,000 production ready workflows. So how we do this is we can go to here, they have a website. In here we can pick potentially, let's say we're looking for a LinkedIn lead scraping and enrichment. That sounds okay. Let's go with the first one, the lead scraping and enrichment. I'm going to download the JSON, so I'm just going to click Control A to copy all, or Command A if you're on Mac. I'm going to go over to our n8n instance. I'm going to click Create a Workflow, and now I'm just going to paste this in. So I can just do Control V, and you can see it's pulled the whole template in. So this is just copied that workflow. This is it in JSON format, and now we've created this here. So that's one way, and the second way I want to show you is if we go down here and click templates, we can just click browse more templates, and this takes you to n8n template repo. It's got nearly 8,000 workflows. You can type in, for example, again, LinkedIn. It's got a filter here. We can sort it by popularity, automate multi-platform social media content creation. Okay, why not? Let's go with that. You can click here, use for free, and then you can import it directly into your n8n instance or copy the template. So let's import it directly into the n8n instance. And then it comes up with the template set up here. So we would just go through this, create a new API key if we don't already have one, go through and create all these specific nodes that the template will use. So now let's go back and do it the other way. So let's take another workflow. We're going to click use for free, and this time we're going to copy the JSON. We're going to go back, we'll get rid of all of this, and we're going to just do Control V again to paste that in. It's kind of gone down there, but yeah, we've just copied that JSON. You would need to go through still and click on all of the nodes and fix all of the accounts that we need to add. So you need to create the new accounts if it's not already created, add the API keys if you've not already got your credentials set up, and configure things such as like the Gmail and things like that. I have accounts already created on n8n, so it's just defaulting to those. But for example, here I don't have a Google Calendar one, so I'd need to get the client ID, the client secret, and input it into here. So yeah, that's how to import templates into n8n. I hope you found it useful. Drop a like and a comment if you did, and thanks for watching.